Hello guys, welcome to Mel Production Service. Today we will be discussing about CPU, which is Central Processing Unit, that I showed in the last previous video. As we showed components that are connected to a motherboard in the last video that I released, this is one of the components that I showed in the video, and here I will be showing the impact of CPU in a computer. Here we have component that we call CPU, and I will be explaining it very well for you to understand. Firstly, Central Processing Unit is the brain of the computer, containing all the circuitry needed to process input, store data, and output results, which means it is the function of a computer. This is what we think of when we think of a computer. This is like a person who thinks of doing something and acts to it. That's what we talk about when we say it is the brain of a computer. Secondly, CPU is constantly following instructions of computer programs that tell it which data to process and how to process it. Without a CPU, we could not program on a computer. So in the next video, I will be showing how does CPU works, and please do not forget to click subscribe button, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next videos. Thank you.